Right now, there's a brand new YouTube Shorts niche exploding. I'm talking millions of views, and people are quietly making thousands of dollars every single month. And here's the crazy part. It costs nothing to start. No paid tools, no ads, no face on camera. Honestly, this is probably the easiest way to win with Shorts right now. If you've been scrolling lately, you've definitely seen these Roblox rant style videos, like this one. These channels didn't exist a year ago. Most of them started just a few months ago, and now they're pulling millions of views every month. And the strategy is insanely simple. They talk about relatable, trending situations. That's it. No crazy editing, no insane storytelling, just stuff everyone relates to. One of these videos hit 8 million views, and all the creator did was talk about a normal, everyday moment. That's why it works. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to break into this niche and start your own faceless shorts channel. And yes, AI does most of the work. So let's jump straight in. Step 1. Record the gameplay. This part is super easy. Open Roblox and start playing, and then record your screen. That's literally it. Play for 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll already have enough footage for multiple shorts. The gameplay is just background. It doesn't need to be perfect. Once that's done, we move to the important part. Step 2. Find a viral topic and write the script. The reason these videos go viral is because they talk about what's already trending and what people relate to. Instead of brainstorming manually, I use an AI setup that generates ideas automatically. It's trained using data from top-performing Roblox rant channels, so it understands what topics go viral, how fast the pacing should be, what kind of wording works best. All you do is ask it for 10 viral topic ideas, and it only gives you trending concepts. For example, one idea was about how every nap accidentally turns into full sleep. Everyone relates to that. Once you pick an idea, you tell the AI to write a short script for it. The script already comes with the right pacing, casual language, and viral structure. I usually copy the script and paste it into a Google Doc just to stay organized. Step 3. Create the voiceover. For voiceover, I use 11 Labs because it matches the style used in viral shorts. Here's what you do. Open the text-to-speech tool. Choose the Atom voice. Paste your script. Click Generate. You can adjust emotion if you want, but the default settings work great. Once it sounds good, download the audio. Step 4. Edit the video for editing. We are not going to use softwares like Premiere Pro or Adobe After Effects. I am going to do this on CapCut. So first, open CapCut and import the gameplay. Import the voiceover. Drop them onto the timeline. First thing you want to do is remove long pauses. AI voices usually have awkward gaps, and faster pacing means better retention. Now here's an important trick. Set your base voice speed to around 130%. That's the sweet spot. Then, whenever you want to emphasize something, slow that specific part down to about 80%. That contrast makes the voice hit harder and keeps people watching. Step 5. Music and sound effects. These videos all use similar background music, so keep it simple. Add music underneath the voice and lower it to around -10 decibels so it doesn't overpower anything. Next, sound effects. Whenever there's a punchline or funny moment, add a sound effect. Yes, the classic Vine boom still works. Don't spam it. Use it strategically. Step 6. Add captions. Captions are huge for retention. Use auto captions in your editor. Simple font, center of the screen, clean and readable. Nothing fancy. Simple always wins. And one more last thing. Don't kill your channel. This is where a lot of beginners mess up. If you create a brand new Gmail, open a new YouTube channel, and post immediately, YouTube may flag your account as spam. When that happens, your videos won't get pushed. To avoid this, warm up the account, watch videos, like and comment normally, wait a bit before posting. Trusted accounts always perform better, and that's it. No face, no money, no excuses, just consistency, smart execution, and patience. And that's it. If you also want to know how you can make this type of bottle smashing videos with zero cost, then click on this.